Introduction. In today's video, we're diving into the golden spice known as turmeric. This powerful ingredient is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a fantastic addition to your diet. However, many people make common mistakes when incorporating turmeric into their meals. Join us as we explore the health benefits of turmeric and highlight the pitfalls to avoid, ensuring you get the most out of this incredible spice. Mistake 1. Ignoring quality. Choosing high-quality turmeric is crucial for maximizing its health benefits. The potency of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can vary significantly based on quality. Always look for organic or sustainably sourced turmeric to ensure you're getting the best. Additionally, checking for purity and freshness is essential, as stale or contaminated turmeric can diminish its effectiveness. Prioritizing quality will enhance your overall experience and health outcomes. Mistake 2. Not pairing with black pepper. One common mistake is neglecting to pair turmeric with black pepper. The piperine in black pepper significantly enhances the absorption of curcumin, making it more effective in your body. For example, try adding both spices to a golden milk recipe or a hearty curry. This powerful combination not only boosts flavor, but also maximizes health benefits, ensuring you get the most out of your turmeric intake. Mistake 3. Overconsumption. While turmeric offers numerous health benefits, overconsumption can lead to potential side effects, such as digestive issues or liver problems. It's generally recommended to limit turmeric intake to about 1 to 2 teaspoons per day for optimal benefits. Remember, moderation is key. Balancing your diet with a variety of spices and nutrients will ensure you enjoy turmeric's advantages without risking any adverse effects. Mistake 4. Neglecting preparation methods. How you prepare turmeric can significantly impact its potency. Cooking turmeric lightly can enhance its flavor and health benefits, while high heat may diminish its properties. To incorporate turmeric effectively, try adding it to soups, stews, or roasted vegetables. Additionally, using turmeric in smoothies or teas is a fantastic way to enjoy its benefits while boosting your daily nutrient intake. Experiment with different methods for the best results. Mistake 5. Forgetting about allergies. It's essential to be mindful of potential allergies or sensitivities to turmeric. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions, such as skin rashes, digestive issues, or respiratory problems. Always pay attention to your body's reactions when trying turmeric for the first time. If you're unsure about your tolerance or have a history of allergies, consulting a healthcare professional is a wise step to ensure your safety and well-being. Mistake 6. Using turmeric alone. Turmeric shines brightest when combined with other ingredients. It works synergistically with spices like ginger and cinnamon, enhancing both flavor and health benefits. For instance, pairing turmeric with healthy fats, such as coconut oil, can improve absorption. Don't hesitate to get creative in the kitchen. Experiment with various herbs, spices, and nutrient-rich foods to elevate your dishes and fully unlock turmeric's potential in your meals. Mistake 7. Ignoring health conditions. Certain health conditions may require caution when consuming turmeric. For example, individuals with gallbladder issues or those on blood-thinning medications should be particularly careful. It's essential to research how turmeric interacts with your specific health conditions. Always consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice to ensure that incorporating turmeric into your diet is safe and beneficial for your unique health situation. Your well-being should always come first. Mistake 8. Not storing properly. Proper storage of turmeric is crucial for maintaining its quality and potency. Improper storage can lead to degradation, resulting in a loss of flavor and health benefits. To keep turmeric fresh, store it in an airtight container, in a cool, dark place away from moisture. Additionally, regularly check expiration dates to ensure you're using the best quality turmeric in your meals. Freshness is key to maximizing its benefits. Mistake 9. Relying solely on supplements. While turmeric supplements can be convenient, they often lack the full spectrum of benefits found in whole turmeric. Consuming turmeric in its natural form provides additional nutrients and compounds that enhance its effectiveness. encourage viewers to incorporate turmeric into their diet through cooking and beverages for a more holistic approach. Remember, a balanced diet rich in various foods is essential for overall health and well-being. Mistake 10. Neglecting lifestyle factors. Maximizing the benefits of turmeric goes beyond just adding it to your meals. Lifestyle factors such as diet, exercise, and stress management play a crucial role in overall health. Encourage viewers to adopt a holistic approach to wellness, integrating turmeric as part of a broader health strategy. Remember, while turmeric is beneficial, it works best when combined with healthy habits for optimal results and well-being. Conclusion: to wrap up, we've covered 10 common mistakes to avoid when incorporating turmeric into your diet, from ignoring quality to neglecting lifestyle factors. Making informed choices is essential for maximizing turmeric's health benefits. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content to support your wellness journey. Thank you for watching.